Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're checking out one of the most practical accessories you can get for your Echo Show 8, 3rd Gen, the Echo Show 8 adjustable stand with USB-C charging port in charcoal. If you already own the latest Echo Show 8, this little stand is about to make your smart display experience so much smoother and more convenient. First things first, this stand isn't just for looks. It's designed to give your Echo Show 8 a solid, secure base while offering a smooth, adjustable tilt. That means you can easily angle the display up or down for the perfect view, whether you're watching shows, following recipes in the kitchen, or video calling friends and family. But what really makes this version special is the built-in USB-C charging port. Amazon listened to users and added a smart charging pass-through feature, so you can keep your Echo Show powered up while still maintaining a clean, clutter-free setup. No more dangling cables or awkward angles. The stand itself has a sleek, matte charcoal finish that perfectly matches the Echo Show 8. It blends in naturally with any modern home setup, whether it's on your countertop, bedside table, or office desk. And because it's officially made by Amazon, you get a perfect magnetic fit, ensuring your Echo Show stays stable, no wobbling or slipping around. Now, let's talk about usability. The tilt range is smooth and balanced, giving you flexibility without feeling loose. Plus, it helps improve the camera angle during video calls, especially if your Echo Show 8 is placed lower on a table. If you want to enhance your Echo Show experience, this stand is the perfect add-on. It's functional, durable, and genuinely improves the daily usability of your smart display. So if you're planning to upgrade your setup, this is one of those small accessories that makes a big difference. Buy it today on Amazon, link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest reviews and the best tech finds every day.